You know you're doing a great job when you have two clients asking for your assistance on the same day. Hello everyone, this is Modern from Proud Travelers, and today, even though it's late in the day, we are already in Fourways where we are assisting this client with trimming of a garden. As you can see, these trees here, they are coming over to the pool. They are causing a mess when shedding their leaves, and they are just out of shape, so we want to trim them back and bring them back in line with that paving that you see there. And after that, we are also going to cut that branch over there for here, because as you can see, it's going over and it's touching the electric fence, the electric wires, which is something that is not good. So we are going to trim everything for here, and we are also going to top them a little so that they become nice and cool. Yeah, so I will show you the results once we are done, and I hope you stick with us. Thank you. No shortcuts taken, just professionalism at its peak. Hello everyone, I'm back showing you the results. Yes, it's been less than 2 hours and we are already leaving the site. As you can see, we are just cleaning and making sure we leave everything. So if you look at the trees now, they are all cut back, pruned, and they look nice. This is nice. Now they've got enough space, they've left enough space. We have topped, we have reduced their height, and now they are not touching the electric cables. And we have also managed to cut that other branch that was there, leaving the site very clean, and you can see the electric fence, the electric cable is now visible. So this is what we do at Proud Travelers. After every job, we clean up, and as you can see, we have cleaned the pool, we have cleaned everything from the site to where we were taking our branches. As you can see, the guys are already finishing cleaning up, and we are ready to leave so that we leave you in peace. One thing I want to assure you, we leave nothing except footprints, and we take nothing except photos and videos. This is what we do at Proud Travelers, and as for now, I'm signing out.